Welcome, welcome, everybody. Rodrigo Fonador here with Asheville Cash Buyers, bringing you another Whiteboard Wednesday, episode number 6 today. And had a last-minute change of heart today as far as what we were going to talk about. We're going to keep talking terms and contract and language and verbiage, etc. But going to bring you a different topic today. We're going to be talking about commission and whether you should pay commission, full commission, negotiate the commission of the house or of the sale of your house. So if you're selling a house, should you ask for a reduction in your agent's commission? That is the topic we're going to talk about today. And so before we get into that, I want to just briefly touch on pretty much there's 3 main ways you can sell your house, right? So if you're FSBO, or for sale by owner, if you remember from episode number 1. So I'm just going to outline this really quickly. Start over here. So if you're FSBO, it's for sale by owner. So if you're for sale by owner, you've got 2 options. Well, if you're choosing to sell your house, you've got 3 options basically, right? You go traditional route, you go the MLS with an agent, you stay as a FSBO, or you do a flat fee. And maybe we'll get into the flat fee listing in more detail in another episode about what that is specifically, but in a nutshell, and this is going to help give context to the rest of the conversation, is you pay an agent or a brokerage a flat fee, and they'll put your house on the MLS. Typically, that means you have to do everything from that point forward. They'll get it exposure, and then you're going to have to do the contracts, etc., negotiation, showings. So you got 3 different options if you're going to sell your house. You can either list it with an agent, which is what we're going to be talking about today. You can go straight FSBO, or you can get a flat fee listing service. So today, you decide to list it on the MLS, and you're going to try to get the most you can out of your house, which is a good idea. You should always try to do that. A lot of times, a question we hear or a conversation that comes across is, well, can I ask an agent or should I ask an agent to lower their commission? Typically, here in Asheville area, you're going to be paying 3% to the listing agent, and then another 3% to the buyer's agent. So, asking an agent to reduce their commission is, there's very few situations where that's a conversation that should be happening, right? Because basically what you're telling an agent is that you don't value what they do for a living and you don't think that they're worth it. If you don't think that they're worth it, then maybe you should be working with a different agent. And if you can't afford to pay commission, maybe it's a good idea to not list it at all and just go the for sale by owner route, or maybe just don't sell because you're not in a position to sell. Reducing commission is very similar to tipping. If you go out to eat and you can't afford to tip, you probably shouldn't be going out to eat. So it's a very similar thing. So commissions, agents, you might say, oh, well, they just, previous example, they just made $3,000. Well, that $3,000, brokers have costs, especially a listing agent. If you've got pictures for your house, if they're, part of a brokerage company, they typically have to pay some fees back to that because they've got offices, they've got staff, etc. So when you're thinking about asking an agent to reduce their commission, really think hard about what that means and the message you're trying to convey. If you're sitting down and talking with an agent to begin with to list your house, that means you think that they're providing value to you, that they're going to bring something that's important to you. And if that's the case, and you believe in the service they're offering, then you should probably just pay for it because they're going to do a good job for you. And it's really important to understand that the value that they're bringing, if you believe in it, then it's well worth the 3 to 6% you're going to be paying. And if you don't think that value's there, then it's totally okay to look for an alternative route to sell your house. And there are options for that. So if you're going the agent route, don't ask them to reduce their commission. Nobody's asking you to take a pay cut on your job when you provide a service. And so it's not really fair to ask somebody else to do the same thing. I still think it holds, right? If somebody's helping you bring a transaction to closure and tie up the details on a $1 million sale, they're probably worth every penny if they get you to the closing table and it's been a smooth process and you don't have a ton of gray hairs when it's all said and done. So, yeah, commission goes up when the price of when the sale price goes up because there's typically more things that they have to do. There's more variables, there's more paperwork, etc. There's more work on their end, so they should get paid more. Do we have any questions? Cool. If you have any questions, let us know. Write them in the comments. Happy to interact with this. Hope you found this one useful. And again, don't ask somebody to take a pay cut unless you're willing to take one too. Tune into the next one. Share. And remember, share this, tag somebody. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.